to facilitate processing 2D spectra using the SNAP or previously NUT software, we've created some very easy to use macros. Basically, you can start the macro, tell it what data you want to process, and it does everything for you. So under the File pull-down menu, you can choose Run Macro. There's also some shortcut keys, but I'll show you this way first. And a list of macros comes up. They all start with AII. They have the nucleus and then the experiment for that kind of data that you want to process. So here we see the H1 COSY macro. We'll start that now. Once we start that macro, it's going to ask us a few questions. Basically, it's going to ask you what 2D COSY file do you want to process, and second, what spectrum do you want to use for a border? And again, both of those will just be raw data that is processed by the macro. So we'll start the macro. First question is, what data do you want to process? We'll choose this demo H1 COSY file. Second question is, what file do you want to use as the border? Demo H1 1D, we'll use that. And it does everything else for you. But the only thing you need to do, you can square it up. A COSY is supposed to be symmetric, so it's better if it's square. While you're in the COSY 2D spectrum, you can enter the zoom routine, and you can choose what to zoom in on. Generally, when I zoom in 2D, I start in the upper right-hand corner and go down the diagonal. Then you'll make sure everything looks symmetric within the 2D spectrum. Another thing you can do is do a stack plot to see what it looks like. This is a rendering. I'm going to whitewash it so we can see the peaks a little bit better. This is I just typed SP, and then to whitewash it we type W, and that makes it so you can't see through the grid there. If I turn it off again, you'll see that you can actually see through each individual slice. That's about all there is to processing a COSY. Thanks for your time. Nutshell. Thanks.